World of Herbals Ayurvedic Kit, Fatty Liver and High Cholesterol. This Ayurvedic kit is very effective in fatty liver and patients suffering from high cholesterol. This kit is approved by Health Canada. Authentic extracts of herbs are used in this product. No artificial ingredients and free from allergens. Price for 1 month Fatty Liver Wellness Kit is $90 including packaging and postage. For more information and ordering this kit, visit our websites www.worldofherbals.ca, WhatsApp +1 647 873 9121. About liver. Ayurveda is a traditional and most ancient system of medicine. Ayurveda believes in the balance of body, mind, and soul. This balance depends on the balance of 3 dosha, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. The balance between these 3 dosha is believed to be a healthy state of body, but in an imbalance of these dosha leads to various problems like, liver as a place of Pitta dosha. Liver is vital organ of the body which performs various functions like making blood proteins that aid in clotting, transporting oxygen and supporting the immune system. Fatty liver is accumulation of fats in the liver cell or hepatocytes. When more than 10% of the fats deposited in the liver, the proper functioning gets decreased. If it is not controlled at this stage, fibrosis and cirrhosis of liver may occur. There are 2 types of fatty liver disease: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and alcoholic fatty liver disease. Too much of alcohol, unhealthy food habits, saturated fats, trans fats, cookies, sweets are not good for liver health. Red meat, beef, lamb, pork, fried food, packed and processed foods should be avoided. Cholesterol is made by our body, liver, and present in all parts of the body naturally. Body needs some cholesterol to work properly. Too much production of cholesterol in the body starts depositing in liver, kidney vessels, heart arteries and other organs which may lead to damage to that organ. Ayurvedic kit for fatty liver. Fatty liver and high cholesterol are interrelated with each other. Ayurvedic natural herbs have a great treasure which helps in fatty liver and high cholesterol. Live or HeptaFit, veggie capsules contain herbs which helps in enhancing the activities of liver are Andrographis paniculata, Calmeg, is multifunctional drug which acts as a depan-in-pachin digestive stimulant, hepatoprotective and improves liver functions, Raktashodik blood purifier. Picrorhiza karua Kutki has hepatoprotective properties and thus supports the liver and spleen. Curcuma longa turmeric may do wonders for your liver. It is known to increase the production of vital enzymes that are responsible for detoxifying our blood that goes to the liver by breaking down toxins. Tinospora cordifolia, guduchi, helps remove toxins, purifies blood, fights bacteria that causes diseases and also combats liver diseases. Lipdo, veggie capsules, contains fenugreek, balance cholesterol, reduce appetite and fat mass. Garlic, help lower your overall cholesterol level and your LDL, bad cholesterol. Commiphora YT, mostly called gugulu, helps lowering high cholesterol and hardening of the arteries. Atherosclerosis, Piper longum which have hypolipidemic properties and improves metabolism. Benefits of Ayurvedic kit for fatty liver and high cholesterol. This is completely safe and highly effective. The combination of Live and Dilipto helps to regain the liver health and balances the ratio of lipids in body. Helps in repairing damaged cells of and fasten the process of regeneration of hepatocytes. Liver health is vital for overall health of body. It enhances the blood purification, improves metabolism and helps in diabetic person as well. Controls the high lipids in the body and maintains the arterial health by removing extra cholesterol in it. Improves metabolism, digestive health and circulation in body. Price for 1 month Fatty Liver Wellness Kit is $90 including packaging and postage. For more information and ordering this kit, visit our websites www.worldofherbals.ca, WhatsApp +1 647 873 9121. Information and ordering this kit, visit our websites www.AYUR-SUDHA.com and www.worldofherbals.com. Call us at +91 98033 56060, +91 98030 39369.